all this, change out my bar risers, mainly to do the clutch cable and the air filter, which the air filter is still behind here. We're not done yet. That's got to come off. Lovely gas tank on my fuel pump down here that might need to be replaced soon too. Hopefully not. All right, here you go. Air filter. Ooh, what's this side look like? Good. Ooh, buddy. Let's go clean this. All right, just back from a quick run for the K&N filter oil and the coolant. Still have the cleaner in there, so it's doing its job. And yeah, start getting the bar ends off and the clutch cable. All right, here we go. Everything's going back together. New plate up top. The old clutch cable, the short one's in, and now we're on this long-winded bolt down here on this bibbity-boppity bullshit. Fucking A.